So you happen to go ahead and go to the doctor's office or the hospital, and now you have a medical collection on your credit report. Well, make sure you guys stick around for this video because I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove any medical collection off of your credit report. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter, it's coming off. And let's go ahead and get after this video right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope all is well. It's your boy Abdul Hassan. Thank you so much for joining the channel and tapping into this video. I really appreciate all the support and all the love. So let's keep this up and break the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and tap the bell notifications below to get updated on all latest videos that we're dropping. We're dropping every day. Can't be stopped. So I know that a medical collection might have gone on your credit report. It's totally normal. I had a lot of clients and a lot of family, friends, just people that I know, right? They would have these medical collections come on their credit report, and it would be for astronomical, like literally figures. It would be about $20,000, $50,000, or whatever it may be. Now, when you first see this, it can be a little bit scary on how these even got on your credit report, or even if you've been trying to dispute those items off of your credit report that haven't been removed. So what we're gonna do to get these medical collections off is that first thing you have to understand is that with these medical collections, what happens is that after about 6 months of saying not paying a doctor bill or not paying a hospital bill, they'll go ahead and automatically enroll it into collections, right? Now, the best part about having a medical collection is that it actually is against HIPAA law for any type of doctor or any type of hospital to share any of your information. So this makes it really easy for them to be removed quickly because of the fact that if they go ahead and share your information to these secondary companies, to the collection agencies, then they're automatically breaking your HIPAA laws, and they're also breaking the laws to privacy in the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So the first thing I want you guys to do to get this resolved right is to go ahead and actually send that collection agency a validation of debt, right? And so what you want to do with that is that you want to send them that letter so they can go ahead and validate this debt. You don't want to go ahead and just ignore these collection agencies or any of that sort, because after 30 days of you ignoring them, not answering their calls, not responding to any of their mail, they're going to automatically assume that this collection is yours. So you don't want to just go ghost on them. I know they're not the funnest people to deal with, but if you guys go ahead and send them that validation of debt, now they have to prove it, right? Because we know that the burden of proof lies on that agency, not the consumer, right? And so when we go ahead and basically send out this letter, sending out certified mail, and again, before any hand, we're making sure we suppress these secondary bureaus from sharing any of our information. So within 30 days, the collection agency should respond back to you guys as far as what they concluded and if this account is yours or if it's not yours, and can they even collect on the debt that they're presuming, right? So there's a couple of things that the collection agency can respond back and say. The first is that they had no response. They haven't reached back out to you guys within 30 days. So what we're doing then is going ahead and simply filing a CFPB complaint because they're breaking the laws and not getting back to us in a timely manner within that 30 days. So the other thing that they can do is go ahead and give you guys proof that this debt is actually yours. Now, that's actually what we want them to do. If they do this, this actually works in our favor, because what they have found is that if they hadn't found any information claiming that this debt is yours, they most likely had got it from your doctor's office or the hospital, right? And so if they got it from either or, and there's a lot of sensitive information in regards to your personal information, right? The reason that this is great for us is because it did actually prove to us that they broke two different laws, right? They broke a HIPAA law, and they also broke our Fair Credit Reporting law of the law of privacy. So if we go ahead and get that letter from the collection agency stating that they do have proof, you want to go ahead and send this off to the CFPB, and the CFPB will follow up with them and basically just explain your situation, elaborate, and let them know how they broke your laws and basically which collection agency it is. And the last thing that these collection agencies can say is that we don't have any proof that that collection is yours. We have no right to collect that debt, so automatically it has to be removed. So just to quickly recap, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and send a validation of debt letter to the collection agency, wait for them to respond within that 30-day time frame. After that, we're going to go ahead and file a CFPB complaint right away. If they respond, it's validated. And also too, even if they don't respond, I would just file a CFPB complaint just so they don't take their time. So now that it's removed off the collection agency, so we go ahead and give the credit bureaus the proof on how this account is not ours and how the collection agency could not prove that it was ours. And we go ahead and just send this out to the credit bureaus with our 609 dispute letter, and that item should be removed. So I hope this video was really helpful and you guys can go ahead and run off with this game and really apply it and get these items removed off your credit report, because they're not really playing fair. And to all the people out there that are working on credit and trying to get their credit right and just learning about credit repair, and at the end of the day, I really just try to make these videos really simple so you guys can be able to digest it and really just not get too caught up in the nuances of certain things. A lot of people often get stuck thinking that they have to know all the credit laws, they have to be able to know how to talk to the credit bureaus, or be able to just, you know what I mean, know exactly what to put on the 609 dispute letter. Honestly, don't overthink it, because then you'll have like analysis paralysis. And so basically with credit repair, it's really simple. Just talk how you guys talk and then follow the letters. If you guys need some letters, I'll include some of my samples in the link below. But honestly, it's really easy. A lot of people have done it. And one thing I'd say is dumber people have done it, so why can't you guys? And again, that's just facts. So my name is Abdul Hassan. So if you guys got a lot of gain from this video, please make sure you guys subscribe and tap the bell notifications below to get updated on all the latest videos that we're dropping. We're dropping every day to try to make sure you guys get as much game as possible. Also make sure you guys like and comment. You guys know how helpful that is to the YouTube algorithm and being able to push our videos to more like-minded individuals like yourself, so they can join the community and grow along with us. And one last favor, like I always say, is to go ahead and share this with at least 5 of your friends to share different tips and strategies along your journey. Let's get it.